Go ahead. Wants to know why there's a deaf person on the line. Who's calling, please? You want to talk to my supervisor? I already told you he's standing right here holding the phone. He's deaf. He's deaf. That's right. I have a deaf boss. You never heard of that before? Oh, he wants to tell you something. Deaf people have all kinds of jobs. There are deaf doctors, ouch, merchants, and industrialists, ouch, teachers and research professors, and professional actors and athletes, and ouch, so on, ouch, so forth, yada, 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 etc., and many, many more. And what's more, all of them could be bosses. And another thing he wants to tell you. There are many kinds of deaf in the world. There are the cochlear implanted deaf, the hearing impaired deaf, the hard of hearing deaf, the late deafened, the prelingually deaf, the postlingually deaf, the profoundly deaf, and the stone deaf.